Hi, I'm Tamara with the Rogers Public Library, and I have something exciting to talk to you about today. The library got a new reserves locker so you can pick up your reserves on your own schedule. There will be a video linked to this one that will show you how to put reserves on your items on the website, but you can also always call us and we can help you with that as well. So here we go. Firstly, you don't have to wait for the library to be open to pick up your favorite book or movie because the locker is available 24/7. You do have to place your items on hold while the library is open so staff can put it in the reserves locker. You will get notified that your item is ready to pick up, and then you can come pick it up inside the reserves locker even if the library itself is not open. The reserves locker is located in front of the building closest to the disabled parking spots. So that means the reserves locker is located at 711 South Dixieland, right in front of the library doors. If you place your items on reserve and want to use the locker, you must choose reserves locker as a pickup location when reserving items. Once you've placed your item on reserve, you have to wait until you get notified and then it's ready to be picked up. You'll be notified by email or text. And when the notification says the item is ready, you can go to the reserves locker. To get your items, all you need is your library card. Just select checkout, scan your card or type in your number, press accept. The locker opens, then you collect your items, shut the locker, and select finish. There will be a video after this clip that shows you how to use the locker. Once you've received a notification that your items are ready, you can come to the reserves locker. To get your items, all you need is your library card number. So you'll select checkout, and then you can scan your card or type in your card. You can press OK. You'll see the items that are in the locker, and then on the right, you'll tap accept. The locker will open. Please do shut the locker and make sure there's a nice little clang. Then you can press finish and you have officially checked out your items from the reserves locker. And that's all there is to it. And hopefully you've learned how to use the reserves locker with this handy dandy video. We'll see you next time here at Rogers Public Library. Goodbye.